You start at port 6. I don't know, keep doing it. Where my screwdriver is at. You need to grab a camera, you know. You know, Stuart. You need one of them cameras if the film some works. Whoa, shit, this is killing my foot.
One good thing with this thing, I'll tell you if it has the latest program update, so you don't need to go any further.
Like that?
Yeah.
So, it doesn't have the latest program updates for this car? Only except for 2004 and 5. Why?
No, it has. It did it.
So the company still, is the company that makes Autologic still around?
Yeah.
So do you get updates for it?
Yeah, but they don't make this machine. They make a different machine now, and it's a whole different thing. It's not like it used to be before.
Oh, so you said this can't be updated none at all?
Nah, they can't. They can't update this. They make a new machine.
Well, yeah, this is robbery. That's bullshit.
Yeah, that's how they do it, buddy. You think they give a fuck?
I need a CD to try out something. I don't have a CD. I don't think I have a CD up in this place. I need a... My tester is... You have any tester here? Something has a pointed needle thing to it? Let me go borrow something. No. Let me use this. Let me use this. I get the lead from the multimeter. Let me press this then. And took it out. This have to go there, and I have to put this through. Through to here. Fish this through here.
Communicates with everything. I don't know why. Yeah, well, right here, like communicate with the amplifier.
Alright,
Component tester, activation reset.
Let me make this hang before it draw back inside and give me a problem. Yeah, that work. Window button work. Let me drop this battery in. Let's put that in that hole right there. You guys can see that.
No fuck goes there. One information. Spits out the information there.
Let's see if I can move the seat a little bit. Put this right there so I can step on this piece of crap. And this meter outside. You know, so they can take on more BMWs, huh? They can take on more BMW, you know. Electrical jobs, programming, coding works, and if anything, call me.
Alright.
I help you solve problems if you need help. That's what I do for a living, man. Just trying to find a hole. I want this stuff off from me.
So everything is ready. Audio application is ready. Language, speech recognition ready.
I want that piece
Fitted
of...
audio system ready.
Yeah. Oh shit. You see, want that screw drop off inside there, and I forgot to pull up the whole fucking thing to get it out.
Forgot one screw?
Yeah, you don't want it to, you have to test it if it's strong, And I have to do like this, my finger do it. Alright, here it goes. Look a trick. This. In. Alright, here you go.
See. This is a programming self-test system to test individual CCC components. So it's going through all the now.
Okay. Alrighty then. Well, the dashboard is up, CID's on.
Let's see, that is done for us. Don't do anything yet. Let's finish this one.
Alright, no big deal, no big deal. The mute is on, so I don't know. Turn that off. I don't know, this needs to be turned off. Well, let's see if I can turn on this.
Win it.
Woo.
Just take that up, mark everything, take the upper control arms off. I'll leave that for last. I'll be there in a minute.
Let's go into BO. Let me see if I can grab it. It's going through the BO now, voice activated. I don't know if this one, no, I can't write the code because it's going to come up with some form of error or exclamation mark. It may be checking the coding if it comes up with 100%.
Comes up 100%, it went through.
Hmm?
If it comes up 100%, it went through.
Yeah, because the code is coded, but the activation for the voice feature is not enabled. So it will probably give you 100% because it's coded. So I just think it's checking the coding. Man, I tell you, this thing nice to watch.
This thing is a good tool. I don't know why they fuck up like this.
And that's about $5 grand, right? Or more?
This base tool is 9500.
90 what?
9500.
Oh, 9500.
This tool is good, bro.
Maybe 10
Really
grand.
good. You don't have to call for coding, program, and everything. If I wanted to program something, I can go right online and I can do a Facebook in it.
Yeah.
Not Facebook, I mean interface with it, and they'll give me all the information. I come back and I do it. Next, let me see what else I got. No faults detected in CCC.
Yeah,
so
because it's brand new. Because it's program and coded.
Yeah,
So ain't
so
gonna
it's
find a
done
file.
code now.
Yeah.
So
It maybe the amplifier need to change. Maybe we need to change that. Okay, it's responsible for output from this.
yeah, but you got to turn the radio on. Let's see if we can go to communication, see if we can turn, or entertainment, see if we can turn the radio on.
Oh, we do it now. Entertainment here.
Yeah.
Or will we do auto seek? What's that?
It should come on and run.
So how do we auto seek on this?
That I don't know quite.
This is FM. Let me see if I can put in a channel 99.3 that I know. Presets. What the fucking thing on that? Alright, I don't know why. All stations, let me
Let's see if I've got anything on the radio.
something like something is outputting, but I don't hear nothing. Could the radio don't play because of the same activation code that we need to enable voice?
That I don't know. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Yeah, you're not supposed to even stop that.